Okay, now this is me. Baby girl must pray now, going to that kind of journey. So I started praying. First, I started praying. I have to hand over my journey into the hands of God. So I'm praying right now. So that's it. I'm done praying. Okay, guys. It's time for us to pack my hospital items, and this is the box. This is my box. So does it, where are we going to start from? Okay, let's start from somewhere. This one is what is it even called? Okay, we first time mom now. Okay, this one is called delivery mat. Yeah, it's delivery mat. So three pieces of delivery mat you get. So three pieces of delivering mat. Okay, there's the delivery mat. Okay, I've packaged it right inside the box. Okay, the next one is corset. No, sorry, lady set. Yeah, sorry. Is lady set. So yeah, this lady sept. As you can see, this lady sept pad. Yeah, lady sept pad. So I think I bought it. Is it 5 pieces? Yes, it should be 5 pieces for 5. Okay, yeah, 5 pieces of lady sept pad. So I've packaged it very well and is right inside my box. So this one is the hospital list. I have to carry it along now in case they ask me, Madam, where's your hospital list? I don't need wahala. I don't need anything. Somebody gonna be asking me stupid question in the hospital. So I have to put the hospital list inside there. Okay, that's my hospital list and my card. Okay, the next one is, this is baby head warmer. Yes, for my baby. Oh, as you can see, is looking fine. So that's baby head warmer. Okay, the next one. Okay, let's see. Okay, this comb. This is set of comb for my baby. Okay, this one is comb. Okay, yeah, it's comb. Yeah, I've put it right inside my box. Okay, the next one is wipes. Yes, this one is wipes, the one I'll use to clean my baby bum bum in case him cheats, now. Okay, that bag, I have to shift that one because there's something inside that one. Okay, that one is wipes. I've put the wipes inside the bag. Okay, the next one is my panties. My panty. I have to go and buy new panties I'll use to wear that lady sept pad. So I think I bought five pieces. 2 3 4 5. Yeah, I bought 5 pieces of that sanitary pants. Yeah, they call it sanitary pants. So I bought new ones. These are new ones. Yes. Okay, the next one right there is surgical glove. Yep, that's surgical glove, and I bought it. They say first time mom, we need, is it 6 pieces? Yes, 6 pieces. Is it six? No, 8 pieces. I bought it 8 pieces. They say if you're a first time mom, so you buy 8 pieces. So I bought 8 pieces of surgical glove. Okay, the next one is that thing right there is a canola, right? Yeah, canola. Yeah, that's canola I'm holding right there. And the second next one is clip, the clip that I'm going to use to clip my baby's cord when I give birth to him. So that's clip and that's canola. Okay, I've put it right inside my box. The next one is Omo detergent. That's Viva. Yeah, I'm putting detergent inside my bag in case that's what they wrote inside the hospital list. Okay, the next one, that one is fragrant. I love my baby to smell nice. The fragrance is very fine. I saw it in the market, so I bought it. That is fragrant. The fragrance is nice. Okay, the next one is the nightwear. I need something that will be free. It's not something that when labor is disturbing me now, something will tight me. You understand? You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. Okay, this is the second nightwear I'm going to be putting on in the hospital. Yeah, yeah. Okay, the next one is cup. The next one is cup. My baby's cup. Yeah, as you can see, very very fine. So I'm going with my baby's cup. I bought a very fine cup for my baby. Fine cup for my boy, Okay, so yeah, that's my baby's cup. Whew. Okay, the next one is Pampers. I have to just come along with few Pampers, in case, I came with like 5 pieces of Pampers in case, in case they ask me. Okay, this is my baby's towel. Yeah, my baby's towel. Ooh, my boy is enjoying. No, my boy is really enjoying. Haha. Okay, the next one in the list. Okay, this is jig. Okay, as you can see, that thing is called jig. Yes, this one is sponge. Yeah, this is bathing sponge. Yeah, for baby. Okay, and this one is tissue. Yeah, one tissue. That one is milk. Yeah, baby milk, which is my boy. Haha. A lot of people recommend that milk, my boy. They say it's very nice. So have to buy it and give it a try. This one is baby set of clothes. That one is baby set of clothes. Yeah, the clothes is 11 in 1. So it's baby set of clothes. The next one, I have to come with extra clothes. Now, me. I no one carry last. Hey, this one is another set of clothes. I came with extra set of clothes. Hey, I have to carry clothes. Okay, this one is it shovel? Yes, this one is shovel. Yeah, baby shovel. Baby shovel, baby blanket. Yeah, what I'm going to use to carry my baby. Oh, that's so lovely. Whoa. Okay, and this is spirits. Okay, this next one on the line, this one is olive oil Goya. So I bought original Goya olive oil. Yep. This is pest. Yes, pest. This one is Dettol. Dettol. The next one. Okay, just hold on. This one is extra clothes again. Almost, I came with a lot of clothes. I'm going to be packing a lot of clothes. This one is another set of clothes. Woo! That's nice. This is another set of clothes. I'm going to pack all the whole clothes in my house. Okay, this one is sweater. Yeah, I have to put sweater in the bag in case the weather is very cold. I just have to put sweater inside my box. So this one is sweater. This one is stockings. Yeah, stockings. My baby's stockings. Yeah. This one I'm holding right now is adult wipes. Adult wipes, you use it after you urinate. So this one is adult wipes. So I brought in 4 pieces. So adult wipes of 4 pieces. Yep. And this is wrapper. They wrote 4 pieces of wrapper for me. So this is 1. I have to go to the market to buy 4 pieces of wrapper. This is 1. This is 2. This is 2. Because they wrote 4 pieces of wrapper for me. And this is 3. As you can see, it's new wrappers. This is 3. It's not old wrapper, it's new wrappers. And this is four pieces of wrapper, which is four pieces of wrapper, new wrappers. Okay, the next one on our list, this one is cotton wool. Yeah, one big cotton wool. Okay, that one is what was it even called? Moscow extractor. Yes, what I'm holding right there is Moscow extractor. Thank you. That one is one packet of razor blade. I use Vest pack, eh? I want to pack everything. Okay, this is my baby's plates. Yes, this is baby's plates. This one is baby powder. Yeah, baby powder. Um, baby oil and baby cream. That one is baby oil too. I think it's face oil, but a feeding bottle and cotton board. Yes, and that one is wipes, little wipes. Whew. Okay, that's new slippers. I bought new slippers. Now I go wear slippers for hospital now. Hey, I bought new slippers to look good. Even if I did labor, I need to look good. Oh my goodness, don't mind me, I'm just kidding. Okay, there's baby feeding. I don't know the name. I'm a first time mom now. I don't know the name. So this one is what the baby used to use and eat hair. So you know the name now. This one is my sponge and my soap. I will bait now. Baby girl must look sweet and neat while in labor. Oh my god. Okay, this one is sponge. Yeah, sponge. Okay, this one is bed sheet. Yeah, this one is bed sheet. The bed sheet I'm going to spray on the bed. This one is new glove. Yeah, this is new glove. Yep, new gloves. This one is the clothes my baby is going to wear after I've pushed out this boy. Now. So that one is the clothes he's going to put on. This one is my food. Me that like food. I like food though. This one is my plate and cup. I know one year story, so that's why I put my plate and cup inside my bag. Yeah, go. Okay, there's nursing bra. I bought it new. Nursing bra. The bra is very fine. It has a tiny opening that your nipple will just come out only, not your full breast. This is another cloth for me. Yes. Okay. Okay, this one I'm opening now is a new flax. I'm going to go with my flax now. My baby's flax. Oh, look at how the flax is looking fine. Okay, this flax. Yes, it's flax. The next one is another flax. Two flax. So I'm going to be going with two flax. Yeah. The other one is the biggest one, while this one is the medium one. Now. Hey, I almost pack everything. I almost pack my whole house. Haha. My baby boy deserves the best. I'm giving him the best of the best. Okay, there's another flax. Okay. What else? Okay, this is my food. Like I said before, I like food. This is the food I'm going to eat in the hospital. See it, my beverages. I don't joke with food though. I have to pack food inside the box. People should not laugh. Okay, this one is baby next mother. Yeah, that one is baby next mother. It's called baby next mother. Like, where I'm going to lie my baby in the hospital. This baby next mother. So I'm going with it. I don't need mosquitoes to bite my boy. Don't want to hear that kind of story. So this one is called baby next mother bed. So I'm going to be putting my baby inside there after I've given birth to him. So I don't need any mosquitoes to come and bite my boy. No, 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 no. I don't need that. Okay, this one is an extra Pampers too. I'm going to be going with it. Okay, the next in line is bucket. So bucket and bowel. See bucket, see bowel. New bucket and bowel. You know I'm going to beat now. Haha. I'm going to beat. I will not be smelling. I like being fresh. Yeah. You get it? So okay, thank you guys for staying tuned as I have packed my baby hospital items. Thank you so much. I love you, so your baby girl Pinky Empire. Share, share. Oh.